Good day everyone, I'm Jolina Catipon, BSN Tribe Section 2, second year. I'm going to report about the nutrient digestion and function of nutrients. Nutrient digestion. As indicated previously, digestion is simply the preparation of food for absorption. For absorption to occur, nutrient must be broken down to very small molecules. The basic unit of a nutrient is the form of the nutrient which may be absorbed. The following is a list of the nutrients and their basic units. Also, nutrient digestion. The muscle of the small intestine mix food with digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, and the intestine, and push the mixture forward for further digestion. The walls of the small intestine absorb water and the digested nutrients into your bloodstream. The following is a list of the nutrients and their basic unit. Table 5.6 Basic unit of nutrients. Nutrient protein. Basic unit. Protein, amino acid. Starch, glucose, non-ruminants. Volatile fatty acid and lactic acid, ruminants. Cellulose, volatile fatty acid. Sucrose, glucose and fructose. Lactose, glucose and galactose. Lipids, fatty acid and glycerol. Minerals, any soluble form. Vitamins, any soluble forms. Following mechanical breakdown, the action of enzymes is required to break nutrients down to the basic units. Enzymes are organic catalysts which produce changes in the structure of nutrients which result in the reduction to basic units. The following outline summarizes the site of production and the end product of the key enzymes. Nutrient is the form of nutrients which may be absorbed. Absorption occurs primarily in the small intestine and large intestine. The villi, very small projections which line the small intestine, are essential for absorption. A large amount of absorption of volatile fatty acids occurs in the rumen and depends greatly on many healthy papillae projections which line the rumen. In general, absorption occurs as the result of diffusion or active transport. Diffusion involves the movement of the basic units from areas of high concentration to areas of lower concentration. Metabolism can occur only after the basic units of the nutrients have been absorbed in the blood. Metabolism involves all the chemical reactions performed by the cells to use the basic units of the nutrients for their specific functions. Example, glucose for energy or amino acids for protein synthesis. Generally, the reactions function in series and are described as pathways or cycles. Examples are Embden-Meyerhof pathway of glucose metabolism or the Krebs cycle. Function of nutrients. A. Maintenance. Maintenance requirements refers to the amount of feed nutrients necessary to keep the body functioning in an animal that does not grow, produce, or work. Number 1. Each animal has a maintenance requirement for feed or ration on the various nutrients for the following purposes: to maintain body weight or size, no gain or loss; to support the essential life processes, example respiration, circulation, normal muscular activity; to maintain body temperature; to maintain the different body sections. Table 4.7 Digestion of food. Digestive tube, digestive glands and secretion, enzymes, food acted upon substrate, and production. Number 2, basal metabolism or fasting catabolism refers to the minimum energy maintain essential life processes. It is the starting point in determining the maintenance requirement for energy of an animal. It is measured in kilocalories and can be estimated using formula derived from experimental data. This is the formula or the experimental data. And the table 4.8 show the portion of body weight and corresponding mass. Number 3, energy requirement for maintenance is related to the body surface area or metabolic body size, 3/4 power of the live weight. It is made up of the net energy or basal and so-called activity increment. The activity increment refers to the energy expenditure due to normal body movements and associated activities. Example for chicken, plus positive 50%, cattle and swine 20 to 30, grazing cattle another 40%. Number 4, protein requirement for maintenance is made up of two portions: endogenous urinary nitrogen, the normal wear and tear of the body organs and tissues. On an energy adequate and free diet, and the endogenous urinary nitrogen is about 2 mg per basal kilocalories. The adult growth function, some feathers, hairs, hoof, nails, etc. B. Growth. Number 1, growth is the correlated increase in the mass of the body to reach the size at maturity fixed by heredity. In practical terms, growth is reflected increased weight and size. It is characterized by A. Increase in the number of cells, B. Increase in size of the cells. It consists primarily